Hello everyone, welcome to a quick guide on how to permanently delete images and videos from your iPhone. If you want to free up space or ensure your sensitive media is gone for good, as in deleted permanently from your device, your iPhone I mean, follow these simple steps. But wait, I must warn you that in case you would have need of these images or videos you wish to delete, it is better you back them up on iCloud before you actually permanently delete them from your phone. So if you are good, then let's get started. First, go to photos on your phone. Tap on photos and you'll be sent directly to where you manage your images and videos. So scroll to wherever you wish to delete or the images you wish to delete. So in order to delete a single photo, just tap on it, as in this case, and then beneath it you would see the trash can or the delete icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it and then this dialog opens. Delete photo, cancel. So delete photo and it is deleted. Now if you wish to delete or select multiple photos to delete, then if you look up there at the top right corner, you tap on select and then you again tap on the photos you wish to delete. So this one, select another, this and that. So 5 photos have been selected in all, and then again beneath the photos you would see the trash can. Just tap on the trash can, again delete 5 photos and everything is gone. But wait, it hasn't been permanently deleted off your phone. It is still hiding somewhere and eating up space. So if you want to get rid of it entirely from your phone, just look down there at the far bottom. There is library for you, albums, and then search. Tap on albums. So albums will bring you here. See media types, you'd see some of your photos, and then selfies, live photos, screenshots, screen recordings, and then under utility there is import, hidden, and recently deleted. So tap on recently deleted and there you go. You see all the images you thought you have deleted are still eating up space, occupying space on your phone. So you'd have to actually get rid of them entirely from your phone. So again, to select bulk, go to select, and at the bottom left corner there is delete all. Just hit delete all, and mind you, if you haven't deleted and you wish to recover, probably was a mistake, you can tap on recover all, and every photo, every one of them will be sent back to your photos or to your photo library. But since we are deleting everything, we are selecting delete all. So here is delete all, delete 6 photos, tap on it and everything is gone. Now your memory is cleared. It is safe to add different things. So if you like my content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and above all share to others so that they may also learn a thing or two from this little tutorial. See you in another one.